back to the channel, man. So today I'm wanting to take a little bit of weight out of the Blazer. And where the heck did all the... I must have forgot this back there. Bro, you know what this means? This means that this tub of screws was in the back the entire time that we went out and did those 60-foot tests and stuff. You could tell. Definitely was. They're all over the place. Alright, so I got this back seat taken out. Another thing, do you guys realize that the Blazer has 2 bench seats in it? 2 bench seats. Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and weigh the back seat to see how much it is that we saved. 211? Baby, I told you!
Sorry.
Jesus Christ. Alright. Alright, maybe a little bit more than 35.
273.4. So it's roughly 62 pounds.
273?
Yeah.
Holy crap, really?
Yeah. There's your weight bar right there.
73. So 63, yeah,
So
62 pounds.
62 pounds.
Damn.
I told you. I was closer.
Damn.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, and that's in front of the back tires. Now imagine if dude, the front bench seat is way heavier.
Yeah.
If I was to pull that out and put those 2 Jegs seats in there.
Oh my God. Those are nothing.
And then move all that weight
To the back?
to the back.
Oh.
Plus a little extra. Oh, buddy. Temperature in Phoenix right now.
It's 109 degrees in Phoenix right now.
Oh my God, it's freaking hot. Anyhow, guys, last night we got the back seat taken out. That saved us 62 pounds on the Blazer. That was actually unexpected, man. I was not expecting that to be so damn heavy. So today, I'm wanting to continue the trend. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, I can tell that that seat definitely weighs more than the rear one. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna weigh this one as well right now. Now, I just wanna put a disclaimer. The bench seat is most certainly going back in the Blazer. I like the Blazer having a bench seat, but I wanna have another option. So like if we're going out racing, you know what I'm saying? Like we're going to the track or we're going to something where, you know, like what we did with Danny, you know, when we met up to go and do a race, I would switch out to my race seats because I guarantee they're going to be a lot lighter than that damn thing. All right, let's see how much I weigh today. 208.6.
Well, see.
I went down 3 pounds last night.
So step on. I think we got 266.2. Same weight, pretty much, but like
6.2. You're 208.
yeah.
The 2 bench seats are about 120 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing is 58 pounds, man. And combined, both seats together is 121 pounds that we just took out of the Blazer. But of course, we have to put some weight back in it because I do need at least a seat, right? You guys remember these seats? Yeah, me neither. Alright, so let's catch you up here really quick, because I know I haven't really been talking to the camera. We got both bench seats out. This is a total of about 121 pounds. And now I grabbed the seat brackets off those old Subaru seats back there that we once had inside of the Blazer long ago. So with the seat brackets off, now I can go ahead and mount bucket seats back in here. But we're going to have to figure out a way to mount the seats to them, of course. Every time I think that this is going to be a really simple process, it always ends up being a little bit more of a pain in the ass. But the seats that we're going to be mounting in there are these two Jegs seats. These are basically Kirky replicas, I guess you can say, but they're Jegs branded. They are aluminum seats. I do have the cloth covers for them. We need to see if we can even bolt them into the stock seat bracket. Before we do that, I want to see how much these things weigh. So once again, now I have my phone in my pocket. Oh, and the camera in my hand here, but
No camera. 207.6.
dang.
How you keep losing weight?
I went down even with the Android.
Wow.
I think I weighed myself after dinner last night, bitch.
No, you just weighed yourself like 30 minutes ago.
Alright, so now we're going to see how much it weighs with both seats.
237.6, so 30 pounds, so 15 pounds each seat.
Yeah, these are 15 pounds a piece. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Taking out 121 pounds worth of seats for 30 pounds worth of seats. Alright, well, I was hoping I was going to be able to just simply set the seat on there, and maybe the flat portion of the seat would line up to the bolting portion of these rails. But of course that is not the case, so we're going to have to make some kind of seat bracket to attach this to this. Alright guys, well there it is, man. That was my goal for today, was to switch out two bench seats, for 2 bucket seats. What can I say? Definitely some huge weight savings. Both of those seats together were 121 pounds. And then these 2 seats together were 30 pounds. So with these 2 seats being 30 pounds, I did not weigh the sliders. So I want to say that those sliders are probably 5 pounds a piece. So let's just say we added about 40 pounds back into the truck. So that leaves still saving 80 pounds. So we accomplished pulling 80 pounds out of the Blazer. In the next video, we're going to be working on trying to put that weight back into the Blazer, but in a more usable area. You know what I mean? We need to move that weight that we took out and put it all the way in the back so that it is past the rear tire. We'll most certainly get into that in the next video, but for now, dude, I just wanted to show you guys these seats. These actually came out really nice. They're mounted in there nice and freaking solid. Dude, it's nice being able to make something for yourself, you know what I mean? I was on Amazon looking at brackets and everything, and then I just decided, screw it. I have aluminum here at the house and a jigsaw. So I got them, when I first put them in here, they were a little bit tall. So I ended up having to shorten it about 2 inches or so. Now it's a nice, comfortable sitting height. And they're freaking sliders. I can slide all the way up to where my belly's damn near touching the steering wheel. And then it'll go way too far back, so. I reached down as if it was khaki seat. Like I went for the lever that's in khaki.
Really?
I swear.
Aww.
These seats are so much more comfortable than the seats that are in khaki. I have to say that. I have a little bit more nut room. So anyhow, I definitely got to see how they feel. Dude, wow, that already feels way different.
Really?
Just pushing the clutch and the brake, because it's a little bit more firm. My back is a little more firm, so I'm not squishing back into the seat as much, you know?
Oh, baby gonna like that.
I don't know if there is, I went down to the end of the street and I was gonna wrap the block. I should have took the camera with me.
Yeah.
I swear to you, like 10 cops. So right whenever I went to pull out on the road right here,
Yeah.
a cop pulled up and blocked the road as like 10 freaking cruisers went by. Shoo, 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 shoo,
Yeah,
shoo.
you heard them leave all off of the main road.
Helicopters over there, like
Yeah.
something's going down over there.
Oh yeah,
But
that's scary.
on a good note, dude,
Yeah.
that feels like a race car now.
Oh my God.
Like the Blazer feels so, like the seats made the truck feel so much more solid.
Really?
And oh my God, I can feel the whole rumble of the engine in my ass now.
Oh.
Which probably ain't good, but what can I say? Yeah,
Oh, wow. Well, that's what they call the rumble down under.
well, it's more of a butt dyno now, I guess you could say. But you could definitely feel it more, for one. But yeah, it definitely feels a lot more solid with those seats in there. Definitely a much needed upgrade. But yeah, like I said, the bench seat ain't going nowhere.
Good, thank God.
I know baby likes the bench seat.
I love the bench seat.
Anyhow, guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this one. Peace, and I'll see you on the next one.